right here, as you enter, is the laundry room. This is the laundry room. Oh, the laundry room off of the kitchen. And here are the boys. Hi, boys. Hi, boys. Hey, Robert. Hi, Robert. And then right next to is a kitchen. No, Robert. This is the sink outside of the and these are the two doors that lead to, one lead to the bathroom, one leads to the room right there. And this is the front door and the window. Hi, boy, say hi. Say hi, boy. Koichi and Elsa, say hi. Hi. Okay. Robert is over here. Robert, put that down, Robert. Robert, put that down. And this is the bathroom. It has an automatic light when you open the door. Yes, that's right. Hi, Robert. Hi, boys. What are you guys playing with? Pillows. Pillows? Be careful with baby Robert, okay? Play nicely. Be careful with your brother. Be careful. Be careful with your brother. Okay, put